Hey guys, how's it going? So let's talk about Aurora. This is a weekend video. Why? Because I need to make a weekend video, and I don't really talk about Aurora that much anymore. I used to follow them like crazy, and kind of lost interest. But they did have earnings today, and I will try to keep up with the company regardless of me not investing into the company. Why? Because I've followed the company for so long that, I should at least follow them on every earnings report just so I can keep up with the industry. And they were once a leader, and then, Terry Booth and Cam Batley lied their way to the top, and they failed because the acquisition was terrible. And they lost a lot of shareholder money, but right now they do have a decent amount of cash on the balance sheet. So the low, like, this crash is actually good. You want to see this as a shareholder. I mean, as a shareholder, you don't want to see this, right? But as a non-shareholder, you want to see this. Why? Because the lower and lower and lower Aurora goes, the better and safer it becomes. It becomes a speculation stock, but at the same time, it's also it can be very rewarding because the company could, do an acquisition, or Europe becomes legal, or some kind of big news regarding Europe. Germany going federal legalization. That could be a huge catalyst for Aurora. So it's like, what you're looking for Aurora is survivability and catalyst. And this horrible, I don't know if it's horrible earnings report, but this earnings report crashing the stock is actually a good thing. I don't know if it's gonna, in my opinion, you want to aim, as low as possible, and 409 is pretty low. I mean, I wanted to go lower than that. I wanted to go like $3, and then I would definitely be interested in buying some Aurora stock and gambling for the long term, because let's be honest, they're not going bankrupt. So Aurora reported $164 million loss, but how much is that, like, depreciation and goodwill write-off and other stuff that is not really cash related? We'll find out in a second when we look at the actual earnings report. But if you scroll further down, according to they don't tell you in here, but I think they said that they have like $500 million of cash on their balance sheet. So, let's quickly look at the actual balance sheet on the financial statements. So, R3D5M. So they have $470 million of cash, $50 million of restricted cash. They have a total balance sheet. Goodwill is still $1 billion. Intangible asset is $383 million. That's horrible, but if we take those out, that's like, about $1.7 billion. I don't know what this derivative is. Wait, no, that's plant-based and that's property, plant, and equipment. That's different. That's gone down quite a bit. So the total asset is $774 million. The plants and property is $677. So if you take those into account, that's about $1.5 billion of asset. The total liabilities is about $657 million. So the true total equity is about $1 billion. They do have debt. They have convertible debt here, which, they could use the stock to convert the debt into cash. And Their revenues was $63.55 million. After excise tax, it came out to be $55 million. Their cost of sale is $127 million. What? Cost of sale is $127 million. You guys gotta explain that to me. I don't get that. I don't get why is the cost of sales so much. But it is what it is. General administration. Wow, that's a huge improvement. $28 million. $13.168 million. Research and development is $3 million, gone down quite a bit. Depreciation and monetization, share-based compensation, you can take those out. But they've brought down the expenses quite a bit. But why is the cost of sales at $127.5 million? I gotta look more into that. You know, they lost in total $142 million. The total loss from operations is $164 million. But this, you know, it is what it is. It sucks. They're losing money still. They're still bleeding money, but only because of this cost to sale, cost per sale. That should like not be that high. Why is it that high? They have a negative gross margin. That just makes no sense to me. So yeah, makes no sense to me that their cost of sales is so high. I don't know. Can you guys explain to me why their cost of sales is so high? I don't understand it. I don't understand why their cost of sales is so high. If it wasn't for that cost to sale and they had better gross margins, I think they could have been like break even. But yeah, I definitely gotta read more into it. This might not be the actual earnings report, but let's see. Yeah, I gotta read this. I don't want to like read it and make a video out of it, but I still got the earnings report that I gotta listen to, which I think if you scroll further down, they'll have it. No earnings report. Conference call. Aurora will be hosting a conference call today, May 13th, 2021, to discuss the results. Oh, there it is. This is it. This is it. Okay, yeah, I just gotta listen to this. I'll probably, you know, record it because I always record all the videos, all the earnings report. So because I've been following them for a while, but anyways, that is it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.